Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video guys, I'm gonna cover the front parking. After reading your comments, and that's the most video that you asked me to do, today I'm gonna do from the left and the right side the front parking. Just before we getting there guys, I just want to share with you this video that this is what happened with the drivers, that they are positioning their feet wrong and they thinking that they're on the brake and they stepping on the gas. So watch carefully what happened in this, and there is so many clips like this that people are, when they do the front parking, they trying to step on the gas when they don't need. If it's automatic transmission, the only thing you need to do is to cover the brake and let the car roll into the spot. Just before we getting into the video guys, if you just join me here, help this channel to get to 100,000 subscribers. I will appreciate that. And I'm reading your comments and I'm gonna put them here. This is how you are respecting my work, and thank you for everybody who subscribed to my channel and helping me and helping this channel to grow. So let's start the video, and we're gonna start, first of all, we're gonna do the parking from the left side. Always make sure that you start with the drive, making sure that you're on the right gear, and always parking brake needs to be released. So I'm gonna pull out from the spot. I'm gonna choose the spot that I'm going to do the first one, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side. So always signal, make sure you're checking before you pulling. That's why I put this camera, so you can see exactly how I do it with my students and how I do on my own. So I'm gonna pull out, I'm checking hand over hand. I will do this next video because now I have this camera that's gonna help me to show exactly what I do and how much I turn and which hand I will turn. So I'm gonna choose this spot. That's going to be my spot. Hopefully you can see it. I gonna be parking on this spot, just a line, just one line before the spot. So for example, that's going to be my spot. This is going to be the first line. I need to align my shoulder to the line, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the signal. So that's going to be my spot. So remember, one spot, one line before the spot that you're choosing. So that's this is the shoulder. I'm gonna, hopefully the camera is covering the line and the shoulder, and that's going to be my spot. So I'm looking over my shoulder, making sure nobody there. And the most important, turn as you go. So the first thing I do, I release slightly the brake and I turn one full turn. This camera will cover the front. And here I am slowing down when I'm getting into the spot, and I'm looking straight. And as soon as I'm looking straight, when the car is moving into the spot, I am gradually recovering. And that's the only thing that you have to do when you do the front parking. I'm perfectly inside on both sides. I can look at the small mirror and it shows me that the car is inside. Also in the front, when you're gonna look at the front, you will see how car is perfectly positioned and stopped. Now, sometimes I have a question, how would I know if I'm crossing the line or I'm before the stop sign? As soon as the line is disappeared, and if you have the small mirrors, you can see the car is inside the spot, that's when you have to stop. Now I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna do on the right side. So I'm gonna keep on moving forward, and in the end I will park in between these two cars, so you will see how I do it. So when I do on the right side, what do I need to do? I need to go a little bit wider. So on the left, I'm already have the space, but if I'm parking on the right side, I need to go a little bit wider. So that's going to be enough. Again, shoulder to the line before your spot. Shoulder to the line before your spot. Make sure the wheel is straight. Signal to the right this time because I'm parking on the right side. I check nobody there. I release the brake and I turn one turn as the car is moving. And when I'm going inside, I'm looking forward. And here, I'm gonna show you in the front of the camera, how car is perfectly straight. I usually look on my side mirrors because I have the blind spot mirror. I see that I'm inside. I see the line in front of me disappeared, then I stop. That's how you do it from the right side. So first of all, I did from the left, and because I have already space, I don't need space there. But if I'm doing from the right side, then I need to have the space. As long as no traffic is coming, you're going on the other side, and that way you will have enough room to get in. Now, if you didn't do that, for example, and you too close, if there is a car parked, you can hit the car that parked on the right side. Now, let's go now, and I will show you one more time how I do it. So, for example, you see I'm going straight. Now, if I'm going to be on my side closer and I'm trying to park on the right, it's going to be very, very difficult for me because I don't have enough space to turn. If it's empty, I can adjust, but if there is a car parked, for sure, this car will be getting hit. So let's do one more time. Again, I'm gonna go, as long as nobody's coming, I'm coming to my right side, left side, because I need more room, and I'm gonna park on the right. So shoulder to the line, the parking before, I put the signal, I check my shoulder, and if nobody there, I turn as I go, and only one, like all the way, for example, in my car is all the way, it's one turn, and that's how it's done. Now, it's easy if you lining up properly and you turning as you're moving. If you turning before, then you're gonna be close to the left side if you do the parking from the left. If it's parking on the right, you're gonna be close to the right side. So remember, turn as you go. Now I'm gonna go forward and I'm gonna park in between these two cars so you can see how it's done. So for example, again, I'm on my side and this is the two cars over here. I'm gonna park in between. I need to choose the line, just one line before the spot that I'm going in, shoulder to the line. Correct, it has to be exact. Okay, then I put the signal, I look, nobody there, I check left and right. Of course, sometimes when you are on the test or if you're driving on the roads, like busy parking spots, you always have to check, because sometimes people even see that you put the signal, what they do, they jumping in front of you, right? So just make sure that you check. So we're gonna park in between these two cars, signal, shoulder, make sure nobody there, release the brake, one full turn, let the car go, don't need to push the gas, covering the brake. As you can see, I'm coming in between. That camera will show you guys adjustment, small adjustment, and when I'm in, I stop. And now I'm in between these two cars, I can easily go out, and that's the only thing that you have to do. So if you have any comments, of course, you can ask. I will help you to understand more. But this video is clearly explaining the way you need to adjust. First of all, releasing the brake, never touch the gas, especially on automatic transmission. Because if you do so, I had one of my students by mistake step on the gas and went through luckily there was a snow. And the reason that she did, she almost finished her driving test, and the reason that she did that because she was excited to finish, and when examiner asked her to do reverse, she did perfectly, but when it comes to the front parking, she accelerated by mistake, and there was a curb, and she almost hit that curb. So that's about it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and please guys, help me as I'm trying my best to help you to reach in this channel 100,000 subscribers in this year. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.